Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning of my living room and my entryway. So I intended for this video to be a deep clean because each month I usually focus on one area of the house to deep clean, and this month was the living room. However, a lot of the things that I usually do, for some reason I did them like last month, so I'm not gonna do those again just because it's kind of a hassle. So I usually pull down all of our curtains and throw them in the washer just so they can get, super clean and fresh. But like I said, I already did that last month, so I didn't do that this time. So right now I'm just kind of going around and dusting everything, and then I will go in and dust a second time with a spray. So some things that I recommend doing that I did not do in this video would be to open your windows and clean your window tracks. Make sure you vacuum really well around your baseboards. Move your furniture, vacuum under your furniture, which I am doing. Again, I just didn't show it in this video because for some reason I just forgot to film. So I'm not going to do all of that again just for the sake of a video. So yeah, like I said, vacuum really well around your baseboards and also dust your baseboards if you have like really thick ones or anything like that. Make sure you're dusting your fans and getting cobwebs and all of that off of the ceiling, even on tops of your doors if you have doorways in your living room. Just make sure that you're getting that. Wipe off your TV, wipe off all your furniture. Something that I also did previous to this video is clean inside the entertainment center right here. I took everything out of it and I dusted really well and just kind of reorganized everything. We keep all of the like modems, the boxes, things like that in there, and we also have DVDs, which we never pull out, but so I don't really know why we have them, but they're in there. And then all of Jensen's Nintendo stuff, his games, things like that. So I just bought some organizers to keep all of that a little bit more tidy. And I'm trying to think of anything else that I didn't do. Again, make sure you're moving all your furniture. And also towards the end of the video, I take off our couch cushions. The bottom where you sit, those do come off. So I take those off and I throw them in the washer. And then for Christmas, my husband bought me the Bissell little green machine. I'm so excited for that. So I took that and I just vacuumed the rest of the couch that can't be washed, and then I went in with that and just sprayed everything and vacuumed that up really well. Oh my gosh, that water was disgusting. I just could not believe how dirty our couches were. It's disgusting. And also that's really good just for like spot cleaning. So like on our area rug, the dog and also our bunny have made some little accidents, so they've left a few stains. So I took that and that pulled them right up. So I am so excited to have this. It was just so great. So yeah, just things like that. Things that you don't normally do those. Even like touching up paint. Like if you have an area on your walls that got scuffed or whatever the reason, if it needs touched up, take the time to do that. Just do those things while you're deep cleaning your room, and then it won't feel like another big task. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know down below if I'm forgetting anything about deep cleaning your living space, and I will see you all Monday with a brand new video.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors, and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
About the things we used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall, so why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? About the things we used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall, so why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all,